Welcome back to another BAC TV Network new owners tutorial. This one is going to be a short one on some basic settings that you need to have before you go stream on Streamlabs OBS on your smartphone.
Now let me open up the Streamlabs mobile app and show you how easy it is to use and how powerful it is. So when you first open up the Streamlabs app, it's going to open up an interface that looks like this. You're going to have your menu up here in the top left corner. Moving on over, you're going to have this little icon here. If you're a gamer and you want to stream your game, and you're going to want to tap on that, and it's going to walk you through the process of what you need to do to stream your. Now moving right along to the right of that, you're going to see a blank spot right there. Before this goes live, you're going to see an audio icon. You can turn your sound on or off. Obviously, if you want to stream your audio, you're going to want to make sure that's turned on. To the right of that is this little profile icon, and that allows you to choose between the front camera and the rear camera. So choose whichever one you want, whichever one works best for you. To the right of that, you're going to see this bell icon or notification icon. Now, if I tap on that, it's going to load up all the recent activity on my channel. You're going to see subscribers, you're going to see super chats, you're going to see any activity on your channel in regards to subscribers, donations, or super chats. So I'm going to close that by pushing and dragging right out. Now we're going to go over to the menu that I talked about first over here on the far left. So if you come up and you tap on the menu, you're going to see live, editor, alert profiles, remote control, settings, and support. Here's the cool part. Here's where Streamlabs gets really powerful, where some of these other apps don't. Tap on that, and then you have alert profiles. And this works if you already have Streamlabs on your desktop and you want things to sync up. If you have a pre-built profile on your desktop, you build it there or you build it here and you can send them back and forth. This is really handy if you're using both a PC and a phone. Going on down to settings, if I tap on this, this allows you to choose the platform that you're going to stream to. You can stream to Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, or you can do a custom RTMP server. If you have a Twitch ingest, a Mixer ingest, that's where you put it. You can come into broadcast and change your output resolution, your frame rate, or your max video bit rate. Because I'm streaming from Thailand and our internet connection is so-so, we usually stream out at 720 resolution. Streaming at 30 frames per second is fine unless you're a gamer. If you are a gamer, you want to stream at 60 frames per second. And the max video bit rate, I would stream out of here at 2,500 because of our internet speed. If you have a blazing fast internet speed, you can crank that up as high as you want to go until your phone starts to become laggy, and then back it down a little bit. Now backing out of that, we have the audio option. It's already set at very high quality by default. I would leave it here. These are perfect settings for that. Moving on down, this is a remote control setting again, and of course about, and this is where you can log out under there.